Hey guys, how's it going? Beautiful day out. Tanner's on his way over with his 1M clone. We're gonna throw some F80 brakes on that. He had some issues at the track, just spending more time dealing with brake fade than actually doing laps. So we're gonna get him taken care of with some F80 big brake kits. So let's take a look at those.
Penelope, what are you doing? You're so fast. You're so fast. Come on, Nelly, let's go do some brakes.
So yeah, here we have the front and rear sets of the M4. These are in the nickel plate finish. So we had these sent out, had the powder coat stripped, and then they were polished and nickel plated, basically like a big bath, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, we're gonna be throwing the fronts on Tanner's car, the rears are going on my car. Yeah, I mean, obviously we're using our stainless steel brake hoses with the AN fittings with the swivel ends, so there's no twisting your caliper 15 times to the left just to get it maybe to line up when you're done without a kink in the hose, but who knows? You always ruin hoses doing that. It's such a pain in the ass way. Like, just using real AN fittings makes life so much easier. But yeah, all fresh hardware, fresh seals. You know, we're using the adapter brackets. We got some of the racing brake stainless steel pistons in these right now, but Tanner's just opting for the stock pistons. It's a daily light track duty car, so not a necessary upgrade. The stock ones work so much better. I mean, they're stainless steel pistons as well. The only thing, they're just not vented like the racing brake ones. Sweet upgrade if you do a lot of track use, but not required by any means. So yeah, we're gonna slap these babies back together and then get them on the car. So let's do it.
So we are doing brakes on Tanner's car, and as you can see, the 1 Series brakes, it's just some little guys.
Little guys.
But
They're 16s.
they're 6 pots, so you know, they look cool. But they literally only came on the 1 Series. Goddamn Ryan cutting in the background, ruining this video. But the worst part about
Z4?
no.
Really?
But yeah, the worst part is we'll show you after is the rotor is uneven widths on the inside and the outside. So that's what makes these really bad at the track, because one side just gets really hot and the other side is slightly cooler, so you get really bad pedal feel. And the overall diameter is not sweet for more than like a lap or two anyway. So we're gonna rip these off, put on the M4s, and we'll show you that. Ooh man, you looking fancy.
Also dripping all over your floor. I grabbed the all 4 short ones. Did I need the long one?
Yeah, you need...
The short top or bottom? Ellie?
They're both long. But you got the right one. Dude, bro, did you even read the DIY?
Do you want an honest answer to that?
I know you didn't. I wouldn't expect you to, coming to my shop to do it.
Thank you for that.
Alright, we'll show how easy it is. Luckily, these are nice. You literally just slide the pads in from the top.
Yeah, that's a life changer.
Yeah, especially at the track. If you actually like want to try different pad compounds and stuff, it's easy. Or if you are just switching from street to track, then you just literally can jack up the car, take the wheel off, and slide them out. Makes it quick and easy.
Wait. This guy upside down.
Did you get in the right hole?
It's always a hard one for me.
Yeah. Oh, blinking battery.
Nelly, what are you doing?
Can't miss out.
I didn't know he didn't have ABS.